What is that one sector which is going to transform the banking industry in the world? What is that one technology which is going to change the way we do banking? That is artificial intelligence in banking. Artificial intelligence is estimated to be a 450 billion opportunity for banks. It is going to make the experience of working in banking industry very competitive, more effective and efficient. Artificial intelligence could be a big opportunity not only for banks but also for the companies, the industry which is trying to explore better ways of bringing banking to the customers. Now, there has been a research from Business Insider Intelligence which has come out with certain findings which says that the potential cost saving for banks from artificial application, intelligence application is estimated to be around 450 billion. It is going to replace the front and middle office accounting for 460 billion. Now this is a big development. The future of banking industry is going to be less manual and more based on artificial intelligence. Banks won't be hiring people, but they would be using artificial intelligence to serve customers, to get better work done. Now, most of the banks, 80%, are highly aware of the potential benefits of artificial intelligence. Many banks are planning to deploy artificial intelligence services. The banks with over 100 billion in assets says they are already implementing artificial intelligence strategies. And banks which are less than 4600 billion of assets, they are finding ways to bring artificial intelligence to the service fold. Certain artificial intelligence cases have already gained prominence across banks' operations, with chatbots in the front office and anti payment fraud in the middle office is the most mature way of using artificial intelligence. I'm sure this will certainly have a great impact on the overall development of the banking industry. Now, the companies mentioned in the report who have already started using artificial intelligence applications are Capital One, Citi, Bank, HSBC, JP Morgan Chase, Personetics, Quantaxa, and US Bank. Now, what are some of the important observations from the report? Front and middle office artificial intelligence applications offer the greatest cost saving for the bank because most of the time and resources is used by a bank in dealing with the customers at front and middle office. And if this can be automated through artificial intelligence, there can nothing be better than this. Now, banks are leveraging artificial intelligence on the front end to smooth customer identification. So, when we talk about front end banking service, it means improving the customer identification, the customer authentication. It will also interact with the customers by mimicking live employees through chatbots and voice assistants. It will deepen customer relationship and provide personalized insights and recommendations. Artificial intelligence is also being implemented by banks with middle office functions to detect and prevent payment fraud. Now, this is very important. If artificial intelligence could detect fraud happenings in the bank, there can be nothing better than that. anti-money laundering and know your customer regulatory checks can be performed artificial intelligence. Now these strategies, when employed by banks, are going to make banks very efficient and effective. There will be less scope of any fraud and customer dissatisfaction. So I'm sure this is going to be the future of banking, and this is certainly going to cause a huge disruption in the market in the years to come. Thank you.